Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to calculate the differentiation of sine cube x. So the very first step involves a procedure which we have been following usually, that we always assign a variable to the given function. So let us say that the value of y is equal to sine cube of x. Now after this, what we do is we reassign the value of sine x with another variable. So let us say that the value of u is equal to sine of x. So that means our original question y would be equal to u raised to the power 3. Now in order to calculate d by dx of sine x cube, what we are essentially looking at is to calculate the value of dy by dx. Now value of dy by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. So essentially what we have to do now is just to calculate the values of these two terms and substitute them in this particular equation, and then we'll have our value of dy by d of x. So let us start the calculation. So the value of u is sine of x. So let us take the d by dx operator on both the sides of the equation. So d by dx of u is equal to d by dx of sine of x. Now let us calculate the value. So the value of du by dx is equal to cos of x. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now the value of y that we have is u raised to the power of 3. So if we calculate the value of dy by du, that comes out to be 3u square, and let us say this is equation number 2. Now all we have to do is substitute the values from equation 1 and 2 into this particular equation right here. So that means the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by du, which is 3u square, multiplied by du by dx, which is cos x. So now if you notice, we have already taken the value of u as sine of x. So in place of this u here, we'll resubstitute the value of sine x. So that means dy by dx now would be 3 sine square x multiplied by cos of x. And this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.